Alright folks, once again it's Captain James Nelson here with Dude Craft Guitars. Check out that one, eh? Look at that. It is a 12 string. It's a Beatrice 12 string. That's right, we're going back to the Beatrice 12 versus B.2. I talked about this before. Nonetheless, here it is. Deal with it. All the details are in the description, as well as, of course, a place for you to leave comments. Thank you very much, and let's get on with it. So what we've got is it's tuned A. Again, all the details. Let me just play the thing. So we're going to play in the middle. No chorus pedal needed on that. So again, this is a baritone. And again, I'm just going to play a bunch of random stuff so you can hear the sounds. Going to the bridge pickup. I love it's got that chorusy sound without a chorus pedal. Neck pickup. Okay, and of course we do have it so we could tap into the coils. Change from humbucker to single coil sound. On each one. But with the purpose. So this give a little bit of squack here. Alright, and for you sludgy folks, yes it does sludge. It. Again, all the details are going to be in the description, but check out that finish. This is pretty much it's a hand rubbed finish. You know, it's poly sprayed, but the finish on it is hand rubbed to give it that more natural, not too shiny, not too glossy, but not too dull look. So really just buffed out the high spots that are going to glitz and glimmer. You know. Anyway, it's just kind of a funny little finish thing that I do. So it's just got that, I call it the old paper bag trick. That's it. Tell me folks what you think. So thanks again for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars.